All right, this is page 1.26. We're going to keep doing our part plus the part equals the whole, but this time we're going to do it with angles instead of lines. So if D is the interior of ABC, so D is inside of ABC, then I know that angle ABD, my first part, that's part 1, plus our second part, DBC, will equal the whole thing, angle ABC. So we're going to use this diagram to answer the questions. So this is just reading geometry. So number 1, if the measure of ABD is 48, ABD, so this angle right here is 48, and DBC is 78, so this angle right here is 78. Find ABC. So I need to find how much the whole thing is. So if my first part, 48, plus my second part will equal the whole thing, 126 degrees. These are all in degrees because we're dealing with angles. All right, let's do the next one. If DBC, so that part is 74, and ABC is 119, ABC, so that is the whole thing is 119. Find ABD. So I'm looking for that part. So I don't know what that is. So the first part plus the 74 part equals 119. Subtract 74. You could use the equations app, but so angle ABD will be 45 degrees. All right, same thing here. If PQR is 114, PQR, so that's the whole thing, 114, 141. So how do I do this? I take my first part, 13x plus 4, plus my second part, 10x minus 1 equals the whole thing, 141. Type that in the equations app and you will get x equals 6. Now it wants to know PQS. PQS, so it's talking about this one. So 13x plus 4. Instead of the x, I'm going to replace it with the 6 that I figured out. 13 times 6 plus 4 is 82 degrees. And then SQR, this one, 10, instead of the x, I'm going to use a 6 minus 1. And that's a 59 degrees. All right. This is the exact same thing. We just have to fill in the information first. So if DEF is 7x plus 4, DEF, okay, that's the whole thing. D to E to F is 7x plus 4. See, DEG is 5x plus 1. And EGEF, so this one, is 23. We want to find each measure. So same exact thing. Part, so the purple, 5x plus 1, plus the other part, the red part, is going to equal the whole thing, 7x plus 4. Type that in your equations app. you get x is 10. Plug it in for DEG. 5 times 10 plus 1, that would be 51 degrees. Plug it in for DEF, that would be 7 times 10 plus 4 is 74 degrees. All right, I would like for you to do number 5 on your own. Be sure to read the geometry and put the information in the correct places, and then do a part plus a part equals a whole. When you're done, flip over to 127. All right, number 6. If DEF is a straight angle, so that means DEF, that whole thing is straight. We know that a straight angle is 180 degrees. DEG is 23x minus 3. GEF is 12x plus 8. Figure out x, no problem, a part, 23x minus 3, plus the other part, 12x plus 8, equals the whole thing, which happens to be 180 because it's a straight line. Put that in your equations app, and you get x equals 5. Plug it in for DEG. So that'd be 23 times 5 minus 3. That would give me 112. Plug it in for GEF. 12 times 5 plus 8 would be 68. And DEF, we already know, that's 180 degrees. All right, I would like for you to do number 7 on your own. And we'll do number 8 together. This one's kind of weird. So if ECD is 6 less than 5 times BCE. So we don't know what BCE is, so I'm just going to put an X. And ECD is 6 less than 5 times. So 5 times whatever BCE is minus 6. So now I have my parts. So BCE here is X. ECD right here is 5x minus 6. And BCD, the whole thing, is 162. A part plus a part equals the whole thing. Equations app, x is 28, not degrees, just a 28. So if x is 28, BCE, so this one right here, it's just x, so it is 28 degrees. And then ECD would be 5 times 28 minus 6, which is 134. All right, last two. We need to look at this big fancy diagram for this one though. So it wants you to look at all of it, of it and get confused, but we're only going to look at the important parts. ABF. 6x plus 26. EBF. 2x minus 9. And ABE, A to B to E, so all of that right all the way to there is 11x minus 31. I want to find ABF. So we're going to plug into that one when we're done. So part plus a part is our whole. So 6x plus 26 plus the red part, 2x minus 9, equals the whole thing we're talking about just in this problem, 11x minus 31. Type that into your equations app. You'll get x equals 16. And then I'm looking for 6 times 16 plus 26. And I don't know why my equal signs never work. That'd be 122 degrees. All right, last problem. Sorry. All right. If BD bisects CBE. See? So that would tell me that this part and this part are exactly the same if they're getting bisected. BC is perpendicular to AB. So these guys are perpendicular, which means they are 90 degrees. I don't know what the arch ones are, but I know they're the same. I know these are 90. CBD. CBD is 3x plus 25. And DBE is 7x minus 19. Find ABD. So I am trying to find ABD. So first, before I can figure out how much that one is, I need to get a number. So I need to use these two and get a number. These arcs tell me that they're exactly the same. So I could set an equation to say 3x plus 25 is equal, congruent, exactly the same as 7x minus 19. Put that in your equations app and you will get x equals 11. All right, now that I've figured that out, I do not care about this stuff anymore. Doesn't matter. Okay, so I need to get a measure, not just hibbity-jibbity, for this 3x plus 25. So 3 times 11 plus 25. And that number would be 58. So if this part is 90 and this part is 58, a part plus a part is going to equal the whole thing. ABD is what we're looking for. It will equal 148 degrees. Thank you.